did you guys think of the test yesterday?
I didn't get to do it.
You did some of it.
Well, no,
Okay.
I was gone yesterday. I had a meeting. Well, I did some of it just a minute ago.
Okay. Hang on to those. I'm gonna have you guys, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. We're gonna pair up real quick and just do a quick minute drill. And what you'll do is you will hold this like this so that Gabe can answer those. You have the answers on that side, okay? And then you're gonna switch. You need to have answers facing you. And you have the answers facing you and you'll quiz her. Okay?
Where's the or mineral?
Take your butt. She'll do the problem across and you'll just follow along, okay? So you want to start right there, okay? So I'm going to time you guys for about a minute, okay?
Correct. And 0?
Zero.
Yes, that's correct.
2.
Yes. Yes. 9? Yes. I mean, yes. 0.
So 1 minute.
20. Yes. 4. 50. Yes. Yes. 25. Yes. 8. Yes. Yes. 25. Yes. 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 8. Yes. 35. Yes. Where? Yes. 4. That's actually, yes. That's actually not 35. It's 40.
Okay. So just keep going.
0. Yes. Good. Yes. 50. 0. 1. 30. Yes. Yes. 0. Yes. 1. Yes. Yes. 5. Yes.
So about 20 seconds.
15. Yes. 7. No, 0. Yes. 1. Yes. 9. Yes. 35. Yes. 3. 0. Yes. 1. Yes. 0.
Remember, anything times 0 is what?
0.
Okay. All right, stop.
Switch.
Yep, switch.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Okay, go.
I mean, that's it.
5. 25. 2.
6.
1. 3. 0.
26.
0. 0.
Where are you starting?
9. 0. 2. 15. 4.
Where are you starting?
Make it so the like this show the answers. 1.
That's okay, just go through and keep reading them.
I mean 6.
That
Which
is
question am I on?
20.
0 times 40.
0.
0. 5. 6 times that. Huh?
0.
0.
30.
5. And 30.
30.
Use that.
15. I have
0.
0.
15.
1. 0.
4. 25.
9 times 0.
8.
0. 15. 0. 1. 4.
About 10 seconds.
8. 25.
20.
8.
5.
6.
0.
4. 0.
30.
5. 8.
Okay.
15.
45.
Is that about,
35.
alright, sorry.
6. Was this a
That's
warm-up?
Just a warm up.
Well, we have to leave at like 3:45, so we're gonna be there here.
Why is this thing in here?
If you guys listen and work hard, you might get a little snack at the end. Okay? Because Miss West is losing her voice, so you gotta keep your voices off unless they're calling you, okay? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna hand out the whiteboards. We're gonna kind of just review with a little bit of multiplication. So I didn't hear anybody else tell me what they thought of the test. Steve, what did you think of it?
Yeah, good.
Was it hard for you?
That hard, yeah.
It was kind of hard.
You didn't even do it. Yeah, I was doing it in classroom.
So what did you think was hard on the test?
I did
This one, it says draw and something like chicken coop. No, not.
Well, I think that
the one
wording was
above
wrong.
that. The one above that.
The one above it?
The word problem.
Okay. So we're gonna use our markers and our whiteboards right now. Do you have a question?
What are you going to use it for?
Okay.
Right?
No.
No.
No. So actually, I'll give you a tissue for that. What did Miss West say? Could someone tell Gabe what I said we were gonna use this for?
For a snack. Oh.
If what?
If we keep our voices up.
Because why?
Because you're kind of,
Because you're losing your voice.
and sometimes you might make mistakes, so we can help you if you make mistakes.
Mrs. West make a mistake?
No, sometimes it's in your voice, you know, sometimes.
Yeah. I might make some mistakes. Okay, so Get your marker ready. The first problem is 3 times 638.
Can we stack that?
Would that be an easier way to work it?
Yes.
Or would this be an easier way?
Stacking
Okay.
it.
I agree with you.
I don't have to stack, I won't stack.
You do have your pink multiplication chart if you have a question. Okay, wait, wait. Oh, you are right, see? Miss West did make a mistake already, look.
How?
Did you see when I rewrote the problem down?
No, I didn't see
Okay,
that.
well, good, you didn't see it then.
32.
So what's 8 times 3? Raise your hand. For say that.
32.
Double check on your chart. 3 times 8. So, what do I do with the 2? Do I put it like that?
No.
No.
What do I do with it?
You, carry it on top of the 3.
Okay. Are we gonna subtract that or add that on? Okay. And 3,
Well, we can't add it.
oh, we're not? Okay, so,
We're supposed to do 3 times 3 and whatever. Yeah. 3 times 3, we're supposed to add 2.
okay, so what is 3 times 3?
9.
Okay.
And then we do plus 2, which is 11.
Okay. We're gonna carry that 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we do 3 times 6.
Okay, so, Bonifazio, what is 3 times 6?
Oh, it's 18,
Okay, and then if we have to add one more, what is it?
19.
Okay. So is my answer right?
Yes.
No.
No.
It has a comma.
No. You press and put
What's
it
wrong?
on.
You had
Or say that?
Between 1 and 9.
Is that one better?
Yeah.
So what is the answer? Could someone read it to me?
1,914.
Good. Good job. I got the answer. So go ahead and erase. Use your tissue.
And that's your
Okay.
Why do you
We can always use practice. Even Miss West made a mistake, right? So that means I can do practice too. Okay, the next one is 8 times 1,243.
Do we have to put a comma there?
Yes,
What do you think?
we have
Yeah, because we're doing like.
Okay, but I'm gonna stack that, right?
to. Not like that. Erase and
Oh, I see.
Okay.
no.
Do you have that down? Okay, so 8 times 3 is what?
8 times 3 is 24.
Okay. What do I do with the 2? Do I carry it again?
Mm-hmm.
Emily, what's 8 times 4? Use your chart. Okay.
Put that 2, so it's
Good catch. Okay. 8 times 2 plus 3.
18.
Gabe, what's 8 times 1?
8,
And then if we have to add one more, what is that?
9,
So what's my answer?
9,000.
Nice job.
9,000.
Darren, will get that?
Yeah. Can we get one in the solid? Do you?
Want that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
what are we going to
The
do?
partial
We're
products.
gonna do one
All
more.
the time, or just once in a
The
while?
partial products.
No, we're not gonna do partial products.
So
Okay,
why
we're gonna
those-
go back to that because we
Because
didn't
I
do any of that on the
went to
test.
school with them.
Why is partial product hard?
I did that on the
What
test.
did you think?
Partial products sounds hard.
I think doing it the old school way was a little easier for you. And once you got it down, we don't wanna go back to that way right now, okay? Because we're gonna move on to division in just a few minutes,
Just
okay?
rest. I did partial products in the
Are you gonna
classroom.
be good at that?
Yeah.
In the classroom, I did partial products in the
What
classroom.
do we say about our voice level?
Backwards.
You're right, it is kind
Uh-huh.
of. Okay, I'm gonna give you a problem and I want you to do it on your own.
On division?
No.
Division.
3 times 3 times 5,712. So I'll write it up here. 5,712. Oh my goodness, I did. So I'll give you just a couple minutes to work that. You do have your multiplication chart if you need it. And when I think about what were some of the other strategies we used the other day when we were, remember, Miss West, we used tally marks? Or we did an array.
We always do the old school way, 3 times 1, and then 3 times 7.
Right, but you can use it for multiplication too. Remember when we did it like this? If we have 3 rows, and there's 4 dots in each, and that's hard to see my dots. So we have 3 over here and 4 up here. What is that? Would that be considered multiplication? Yeah. So if we have 3 rows of 4, 3 times 4 is what? No, is 11 an odd number or even number? Okay, so look at your chart, look at your multiplication chart just to verify.
Miss West.
Are you right? Okay, so if we were to do 3 times 4, oh,
Now you
all right, I'm gonna count to 3 and I want you to hold it up and show me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Now you put it in front of the 2 digits.
Oh, what place is that, you know?
The
Hundreds, thousands,
after the 1 and the
It's the
7.
10,000s.
After the 1 and the 7.
Okay. I didn't get to see your answer. You erased it?
Right.
Was it the same as theirs? Look at her.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it was the
Okay.
same.
It's
All right.
17. It's 17.
Cedar, what's 3 times 2?
3 times 2 is 6.
Okay. And Dave, what's 3 times 1?
3.
Okay. And Versada, what's 3 times 7?
21.
Okay. And okay, what's 3 times 5?
15.
Plus 2. Yeah.
So is that what you got?
17,000.
Did you have something different? Did you see where you made the mistake? I was gonna
Yeah.
look at that, right, but you erased it already. Okay, all right, let's move on.
She had a 6 instead
I
of a 7.
had a 6, and then a 3.
We need 16.
You mean he has 16,000.
Voices, we're gonna go ahead and put our caps on our marker for just a second, okay, so they don't dry out. We're gonna start talking about division. Can someone tell me what they think the definition of division is?
Divide?
What does it mean to divide something?
To split it.
Okay, that's one way to do it.
Fractions.
Fractions, but we're not gonna go with fractions.
It says fractions is division.
Fractions is, yes, it is, the sign is, means divide, right? What were you getting ready to say?
Oh, about division?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that it's multiplication but backwards.
It is backwards, isn't it?
And then here's the sign. Let's press it.
Okay,
And it is dot, line, dot.
that's one way to do divide, isn't it?
Dot minus dot.
Okay, well, we're just gonna start talking about it today, okay? So if you don't understand it, okay?
And I
If
got
you don't understand it,
And I don't know, you know,
is that what we should do?
it's kind
We
of
should
like
throw
dot
it, should we?
minus, but with, two
Okay.
dots.
I have a
above.
fact about division
What?
on the bottom of it. You know how there's like add, subtraction, multiplication, division? Well, this is a problem for division. You can't stack.
Well, we're gonna
Yeah,
talk
you
about
can't
division and we're gonna talk about arrays, which, what I just
You
drew
know
over
the
here.
you know the line of the 2 dots, you can't stack.
Right,
You do?
it's a little bit different.
Can't stack.
I need for you to have your voices off, okay?
But
If you wanna get something when you leave, you need to have your voices off, so listen. So we're gonna talk about dividing a